All right, quick update. Back on my cyclekart build here, which is a
Austin 7 Brooklyn's Racer.
monoposto single seat. And what color is it? What color is it?
Green.
What kind of green? What kind of green?
Proper English green.
It's British racing green.
All right.
You think you'd get that right? She didn't want to be on film. The wife, the missus. So the sun's out. Ow! Shit! I just ran my elbow into that. God damn it. That hurt. It looks all right. Now, Gary O'Connor made a comment on the CycleKarts North America page. Ooh, you can see my two greens right there. The CycleKarts North America page. You know, back in the day, these old quote-unquote race cars, they were not super well done. He's right. You know, they would literally brush on paint if they even bothered to paint them. They weren't super well done cars. These cars were, meant for racing. It wasn't until much later on, after the pre-war years that it's really a thing to start making your cars look nice and neat. I'm sure there were car racers that made them look nice and neat before, but at Brooklands and some of these other venues, the cars were not super well overly done. So for this cyclekart build, which is inspired by 1923 Austin 7, or early Austin 7s, just there at Brooklands, we're getting there with the British Racing Green. This is going to get covered in mesh, and this area too, I believe, at least that's the plan, so that I can have airflow. I don't want to have the engine back there and boil the gas in a little gas tank. All right, trying to get it ready to go to an event this weekend. We got a few more days of working on it, and then we'll load her up and start moving out. So now, after I got this, what's next? I don't even know. I'm asking myself, what is next? I think reassembly. No, I want to work on this a little bit. I'm going to try to work on this tail section a little bit. I still got to make a quick release for this, and I got to get this pinned. That's got to get done. Then reassembly. Yeah, then reassembly, and then I'll see what else needs buttoned up before we get it loaded up.